Just put salt in Coca-Cola and you'll thank me for it. It's amazing. And look, it really is amazing. I put about a tablespoon of salt in, close the bottle and shake it really well. Pay close attention because this tip is really cool. Now let's open the bottle and transfer this Coca-Cola to a container. Here we have approximately 200 milliliters. We're going to use this little bottle as a measure. Don't throw it away. Now let's add a tablespoon of salt and let's stir it a little. You guys need to see this tip. I'm sure you haven't seen it on the internet yet. You'll be surprised by the result. Next, we'll need a detergent of your choice. Let's add approximately 200 milliliters here in the little Coca-Cola bottle. And let's put it together with the Coca-Cola. Ever since I discovered this tip, I always do it at home. I don't buy this product at the stores anymore. Next, we're going to add water to half of the bottle, and we're going to put it here inside the container with the Coca-Cola and the detergent. Just mix all this very well. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the result of this mixture. Now, we're going to need an empty detergent bottle. But if you have another type of bottle, you can use it too without any problems. And with the help of a funnel, we're going to transfer all this mixture. And incredible as it may seem, it's ready. And look at the condition of this pan. It's quite dirty, with ingrained grease. Just scrub it very well, and you'll immediately notice all the dirt coming off. It's like magic. This product is simply wonderful. For those who didn't understand, what we just did here is a wonderful aluminum shine. That's right. Coca-Cola contains a substance that, when in contact with salt and detergent, removes any dirt from your pan and renews all the shine that has disappeared from that pan. You can use it on all types of pans, especially aluminum ones. Besides cleaning, it will give an incredible shine. You'll clean your pans very easily, besides leaving them shining. And look at this result, folks. Incredible, isn't it? This product will make your day much easier. Especially if you love to keep your pans clean and shining, do it at your home and then come here and tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Whoever made it this far, give a rating from 0 to 10 for this tip. As I said, for those who like a pan shining like new, just make this mixture, which besides being simple is super cheap. Much better than those bought at the store. You'll never look at Coca-Cola the same way again. Our tip for today is this. I really hope you liked it. I'm leaving it here. May God be with you.